Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting both monitors and the computer powered, connected, and speaking the same language. Plug each display into the GPU using HDMI or DisplayPort. If adapters are required, use active adapters. Once done, set each monitor's input source to the connected port and power cycle them. You should test one monitor first to confirm a stable signal, then add the second. This reduces variables and makes it clear whether the issue is cable, port, or monitor related. Now you configure how the system uses both screens. In Windows, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences Displays. Click Detect if the second monitor doesn't appear, then choose Extend Desktop or Duplicate as needed. Match resolution and refresh rate to each monitor's native specs so images are sharp and smooth. Arrange their order on screen to reflect your physical layout, then apply. If drivers are out of date, update them before proceeding. Finish by making sure the setup is stable and drivers are current. Update your GPU driver, reboot, and confirm both monitors stay active. If one remains blank, swap its cable and port. This isolates a bad cable or connector. If problems persist, test the monitor on a different computer to confirm the panel works. As a final troubleshooting tip, if a driver update broke dual output, roll back the driver in Device Manager or boot into safe mode to restore a known good configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.